a plus b plus c whole cube is equal to 27abc. X power a by x power b can be written as x power a minus b or x power b minus a. Y will be is equals to 1 or 8y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 1 by 8. 5 power 2x can be written as 5 power x whole squared according to a power mn. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidyashram Pre-University College, Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. In the last session, we have learnt about what is that solving the problems on 3 marker based on the theory of indices. Now this will be our session 3, which will be the last session solving the 5 marker problems. So let us solve now what will be the 5 marker problems. Before solving, I am going to give you the formulas, what all we are going to use it here. What is that? We are going to have a power m into a power n can be written as a power m plus n. Similarly, a power m, a power minus n can be written as a power m minus n. A power minus m can be written as 1 divided by a power m. A power 0 or anything power 0 will be is equals to 1. We are going to have a power m by a power n can be written as a power m minus n, or if it is lesser, a power n minus m, correct? If m is greater than n and n is greater than m. Similarly, square root of a can be written as a to the power of 1 by 2. Cubed root of a can be written as a to the power of 1 by 3. Similarly, fourth root of a can be written as a to the power of 1 by 4. Right? And then a by b whole to the power of minus m can be written as b by a whole to the power of m. Correct? Similarly, we are going to have, what is that? X power a, that is x power a by x power b can be written as x power a minus b or x power b minus a according to the formula, right? So we'll be moving on to solving the problem. So what is the first problem? 5 marker. If a power x equal to bc, b power y equal to ca, c power z is equals to ab, then show that x, y, z is equals to x plus y plus z plus 2. So we are going to take here, see, let us take given. What they are given here? These things. I am going to take it as let a power x will be is equals to bc. If I am going to take that one as what I am having in the left hand side, x, y, z. So what I do not have here, x, y, z in the left hand side. So what I need to do, I am going to raise the power y, z. Raising the power y, z, I can get it as a power x, y, z will be is equal to bc whole to the power of y, z. Correct? So now we are going to have it as, see, I can write this one as b power y, z into c power y, z. Correct? Can I write like that? Which will be is equals to, now b power y, you know already b power y is nothing but ca. So I am going to write that one as b power y whole power z. Similarly, c power z is ab. So I am going to rearrange here. C power z in whole power y. Anyway, 2 into 3, 3 into 2, both are same. Y into z, z into y into z, z into y, both are same. So therefore you are going to have it as, however rise, I can rise the power there. Here you are going to have it as, see why I have arranged like this. You can select like however you want, because b power y I know ca, so I want to write that one. C power z you know ab, I want to write that one, so that I have multiplied as well. So here I am going to have b power y, substitute ca whole to the power of z, be careful, and then c power z is ab whole to the power of y. Correct? So I can split up that. So what it will become? You are going to have it as a power x, y, z will be is equal to c power z into a power z into a power y, b power y. Correct? So base are same. I can add the powers, means what you are going to have? Here base are same. Correct? So therefore it will become a power z plus y. Correct? So a power z plus y, you know already, c power is nothing but AB, and then B power Y is nothing but CA. So I am going to write that one. C power Z here and B power Y here. So what it will become? Which will be A power Z plus Y. C power Z is AB into, and then B power Y is CA. So therefore this will be A power Z plus Y. This A into A is A squared. BC I am going to write as it is. I am rearranging. Don't confuse. Please be carefully. You need to observe here. Okay. A power Z plus Y as it is. This A into A is A squared. BC I am writing here. Multiplication as same. So it will be A power. Now again base are same. I can add out the powers. Power is Z plus A. Here power is 2. So what it will become? Z plus Y plus 2 into BC is nothing but what? You know BC is nothing but A power X. So BC is A power X. So I can write this one as A power. See, base are same. I can add the powers. If I add the powers, it will become A power X plus Y plus Z plus 2. So here also you are having A power X, Y, Z. So if the base are equal, I can equate the powers, that is X, Y, Z will be is equal to X plus Y plus Z plus 2. Isn't it the same thing you are going to have it as? So therefore this will be the proof of the answer. Observe carefully what are all the steps I have done it here. Got? We'll be moving on to the next problem. If A power 1 by 3 plus B power 1 by 3 plus C power 1 by 3 equal to 0, then show that A plus B plus C whole cube is equal to 27ABC. What they have given? Given. I am going to take the given. A power 1 by 3 plus B power 1 by 3 plus C power 1 by 3 equal to 0. What I am going to do here, I am going to keep this A power 1 by 3 plus B power 1 by 3 as it is. I am going to shift this C to that side. It will become minus C whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now, since I am having whole cube here, I am going to raise the power 3 on both the sides. If I am going to raise the power 3 on both the sides, what it will become? A power 1 by 3 plus B power 1 by 3 whole to the power of 3 will be is equal to minus C power 1 by 3 whole to the power of 3. Now, you can have, this is according to A plus B whole cube. What is A plus B whole cube? Otherwise, I am going to write X plus Y whole cube because you are having A and B there. So, X plus Y whole cube will be is equal to X cube plus Y cube plus 3xy into X minus Y. So X replaces here A power 1 by 3 and Y replaces here B power 1 by 3. Accordingly, I am writing the formula. So here it will become X cube plus Y cube plus 3x into Y into, you are going to have it as X minus Y. X replaces A power 1 by 3. Y replaces B power 1 by 3 will be is equal to, you can observe here, what is that? So minus whole cube will be minus only. I am going to split up this minus 1 whole cube into C power 1 by 3 whole power 3. What is C power 1 by 3 whole power 3? C, because 3 will get cancelled, isn't it? So therefore here again 3 will get cancelled. You are going to have A power 1, which is A, plus B power 1. I am going to write if you want, because this is A power mn. A power m whole power n can be written as A power mn, correct? So plus you are going to have 3 A to the power of 1 by 3, B power 1 by 3. Observe, dear students, A power 1 by 3 plus. So therefore you are going to have your plus X plus Y. Sorry. Okay. So A power 1 by 3 plus B power 1 by 3 is nothing but what? minus c power 1 by 3. So I'm going to substitute minus c to the power of 1 by 3 will be is equal to minus 1 whole cube is minus c power 1 by 3 c is c. Understood this one? So you are going to have the answer will be how you are going to have, see, let me write it here. What is that? A power 1 is a plus b power 1 is b. Again you can observe here, see, minus into plus is minus, okay, and then you are going to have it as a power 1 by 3, see, minus into plus is minus 3 a power 1 by 3 b power 1 by 3 plus into minus c is minus c power 1 by 3. C power 1 by 3 will be is equal to what you are having in the right hand side? Minus c. Minus c. So what I am going to do here? I am going to take this whole term to the right hand side and this c to the left hand side. So what it will become? A plus b plus c, this c to the left hand side will be is equal to, minus will become plus 3 a to the power of 1 by 3 b to the power of 1 by 3 c to the power of 1 by 3. So what it will be? I can raise the power cube on both the side. Cube on both the side. If you cube on both the side, what it will become? A plus b plus c whole cube will be is equal to 3 a to the power of 1 by 3 b to the power of 1 by 3 c to the power of 1 by 3 whole cube. Right? So you are going to have it as the same as it is, a plus b plus c whole cube, because they have asked in the right hand side same thing. I'm going to keep it as same thing, which will be, I can raise each power 3 power 3, a to the power of 1 by 3 whole power 3, b to the power of 1 by 3 whole power 3, c to the power of 1 by 3 whole power 3. So what this will become? I can write this one as a plus b plus c whole cube will be is equal to 3 power 3 is what? 27. A power 1 by 3 whole power 3a. B power 1 by 3 power 3 cancel b. Similarly c. So this is your final answer. Isn't that? So this will be the proof as we have done it here. Got? So let us move on to the next problem. What is that? X power 5 by 3 minus y power 1 by 3 minus z is equal to 0. Then show that x power 5 minus y minus z whole cube, z cube whole cube is equal to 27 x power 5 y z cube. So here what I am going to have it as? Same, I am going to take it as given x power 5 by 3 minus y power 1 by 3 minus z equal to 0. I am going to take minus z to that side. What it will become? X power 5 by 3 as it is minus y power 1 by 3 as it is minus z. If I am going to shift it to that side, it will become plus z. Rising the power 3 on both the side, cubic on both the side. What it will become? X power 5 by 3 minus y power 1 by 3 whole cube will be is equal to z cube, isn't it? Now what is a minus b whole cube formula? A minus b, all in minus only, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. A replaces here x to the power of 5 by 3, b replaces here y to the power of 1 by 3, right? So here accordingly I am going to split the formula a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b is equal to z cube, isn't it? Now we are going to have x power 5 by 3. What it will be? 3 will go because m dot n. What is m dot n? A power m whole power n can be written as a power m n. If a power m n, I can cancel the reciprocal, right? So 3 will get cancelled. You are going to remain with x power 5 minus 3 will get cancelled, y power 1. So you can write minus this one as it is. I am writing 3 x to the power of 5 by 3 y power 1 by 3. You can observe this one. What is this? X power 5 by 3 minus y power 1 by 3 is z. So I am going to substitute that. Z will be is equal to z cube. Got this one? So I am going to write the next step will be is equal to what? X power 5 minus y power 1 is y. See, I am going to take this minus sign to that side and z cube to this side. What it will become? Minus z cube. If this minus sign, this I am going to take it to the right hand side, and this I am going to bring it to the left hand side. Got? So what it will become? Minus z cube will be is equal to 3 x to the power of 5 by 3 into y to the power of 1 by 3 into z, isn't it? Now what I need to do, I want this whole cube means rising 3 on both the side, power 3. So what it will become? Cubing on both the side, x power 5 minus y minus z whole cube will be is equal to 3 x to the power of 5 by 3 y to the power of 1 by 3 z whole cube. Now you can write right hand side as 3 power 3, each power you can raise with 3 power 3 x to the power of 5 by 3 whole power 3 into z to the power of 3, correct? I forgot this to write. I am going to write it here. Y power 1 by 3 whole power 3. Anything multiplication will be the same, correct? So which will be having 3 power 3 is 27. 5 power 3 will get cancelled. X power 5. Y power 3 will get cancelled. Y power 1 is y and z cube. What are you having the left hand side? X power 5 minus y minus z cube whole cube will be is equal to 27x power 5 yz cube. Is it the same proof? Yes. Same proof you are having. You can compare. So this formula and this formula is very important to solve this problem. We'll be moving on to the next problem. If x power x is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power minus 1 by 3, then prove that 2x cube minus 6x minus 5 equal to 0. You can do it in two methods. Substitute this whole x here, prove it as 0. Otherwise, take this and then solve, bring it to the equation. Got? Once again, I'll repeat. Take this x, substitute in the given equation, prove it as 0. Otherwise, take the given, prove the equation. Okay? I'm going to take the given and prove the equation. So here given, what is given? X will be is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power minus 1 by 3. I'm going to, because you are having cube, x cube, you do not have x cube, what you need to do? You have to raise the power on both the side as 3 or cubic on both the side. If I cube on both the side, what it will become? X power 3 will be is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 power minus 1 by 3 whole to the power of 3. Be careful, plus is there. Whole power, not each power will come. Whole power 1 by 3 are going to get. That is a mistake you are going to do, dear students. Don't raise power each. Whole. If it is only single term, you can raise. If it is a summation or the subtraction, you need to whole power. Got? So therefore, this is according to what formula? You are going to, this is according to what formula? A plus B whole cube. What is that will be? A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. So write down A cube, A replaces 2 power 1 by 3. I am writing here. A is 2 power 1 by 3. B is 2 power minus 1 by 3. And be careful, dear students, here. I am going to take it as here. What is A power minus M? 1 by A power M. What is 2 power minus 1 by 3? you can write it as 1 by 2 power 1 by 3. This you have to observe. I'm using that formula. So next we'll be moving on to expanding. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. So what you are going to have, which will be is equal to, you know already, 3 will get cancelled. You are going to remain the 2 power 1, which is 2, plus again you are going to have it as this. How I can write this one as 1 divided by 2 power 1 by 3, 2 power minus 1. So I am going to write that one. 1 divided by 2 power plus 1 divided by 2 power 1 by 3 whole power 3. Let us come to this afterwards. Plus 3 2 power 1 by 3 into, what I can write like this, 1 divided by 2 power 1 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 3. What is 2 power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 power minus 1 by 3, which is nothing but x. What I am going to substitute, this will be is equal to x. So this will be is equal to x. Okay, let us move on to the next step. 2 power 1 is what? 2 plus again 1 power 3, I can raise the power, plus 1 power 3 divided by 2 power 1 by 3 whole power 3. Because you are having whole cube, I am raising both the side. Got? And then you are going to have plus. Observe dear student, 2 power 1 by 3, 2 power 1 by 3 will get cancelled. You are going to remain with 3 into x. Because this will remain it as 1. 3 into 1 into x is 3x you are going to have. So therefore, you can write that one as, which will be left hand side what you are having. Don't forget to write left hand side is x cube. So I am writing left hand side is x cube. Okay. So what this will become now? You are going to have 2 plus x cube. Here I am writing 1 power 3 is 1 divided by 3 will get cancelled, 2 plus 3x. Right. You are going to have it as. So what it will become? You can take LCM. If you take LCM, what it will be? X cube will be is equal to 2 2s are 4 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 3x. Again x cube. Again LCM if you take 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2. 2 3s are 6. Isn't it? You are going to have it as. So LCM will be 2 only, plus 2 3s are 6x. Now you can cross multiply the 2 this side. What it will become? It will become 2 into x cube is 2x cube will be is equal to 5 plus 6x. Otherwise, you are going to have 2x cube minus 6x. Take this side. Minus 5 will be equal to 0. That is your answer. This question will be asked for 5 marker. 2x cube minus 6x minus 5 equal to 0. That's it. Is that easier? You can try substituting this whole x to this equation and you should get by cancelling all the term as 0. Understood? We'll be moving on to the next type of problem. Solve 3 power 2x minus 10 into 3 power x plus 9 equal to 0. How to solve, ma'am? They have not given anything. What I am going to do? I am going to make a substitution. What substitution? You can see here 3 power 2x, 3 power x. 3 power x, this I can write it as, what is 3 power 2x can be written as? I can write 3 power x whole squared. Both are same na? 3 power 2x only. So what I am going to substitute, because I am having a 3 power x another. So I am going to substitute, let the 3 power x equal to y. Got? Equation I am going to make it as let 3 power x will be is equals to y. What will be the equation will become? Then 3 power 2x, I am going to write like that, 3 power 2x as 3 power x whole squared minus 10 into 3 power x plus 9. Okay. So which will be 3 power x is y squared minus 10 into y plus 9. Correct? So will be equal to what? Sorry. Equal to 0, right? I can solve this quadratic equation. Y squared minus 10y plus 9 equal to 0. If you multiply, you should get 9y squared. If you add or subtract, you should get 10y. Correct? Because 9 into y squared is 9y squared 10y. What is that you are going to have? If you multiply, you should get 9y squared. If you add, you should get 10. So what is that you are going to have? 9y squared and then 10. See, if you are 9 into 1 is 9 and then 9 plus 1 is 10. But I want minus 10. So I should get minus 9 minus y. Correct? So here I am going to have minus 9y minus y. So if I multiply minus 9y into minus y, what is that? Minus 9y into minus y. Minus into minus is plus. 9 into y is 9y squared. If I add that to, if I add plus, this is multiplication. Okay. If I add this to, minus 9y minus y is minus 10y. Correct? So therefore I can have the roots y squared minus 9y minus y plus 9 will be equal to 0. So I can take common factor as what? Y here. So y into y minus 9 minus 1 into y minus 9 equal to 0. Why? Minus 1 into y is minus y. Minus into minus is plus 9. Correct? So therefore you are going to have the answer will be, see, I can equate each. What that will be? Y minus 9 into y minus 1, because I can take common factor as y minus 9. If I take common factor y minus 9, y minus 1 will be remaining, will be equal to 0. So therefore y minus 9 will be equal to 0. Y minus 1 will be equal to 0. I can equate y will be is equal to 9, or I can equate y will be is equal to 1. But what is y? Y is 3 power x. Substitute that because I want the value of x there, because the equation is given in terms of x there. So I can take it as y is 3 power x is equal to 9, or 3 power x is equals to 1. What is 9 can be written as? I want to make it as base are equal. If the base are equal, I can equate the powers. So 3 power x will be equal to 3 squared. Base are same, I can equate the power. So x will be is equal to 2. Correct? Or you are going to have it as 3 power x, ma'am. How we can equate the power? Now, you know already what is a power 0? 1. What is 3 power 0? 1. Correct? So, in place of 1, I can write it as 3 power 0. So, 3 power 0. Therefore, you can, if base are same, I can equate the power. X is equals to 0 or x is equals to 2 will be your answer for this equation. Got? Any doubt in this? Okay, we'll be moving on to the next problem. Solve 8 into 4 power x minus 9 into 2 power x plus 1 equal to 0. So how to solve this, ma'am? Now you are going to know how to write this one as 4 can be written as what? 4 can be written as 2 squared. Therefore, 4 power x can be written as 2 squared whole power x. Correct? This 2 squared whole power x can be written as 2 power 2x. Or you can write it as 2 power x whole square. Both are same, na? Correct? So this is according to the formula I have written. What is the substitution? Because I am having here 2 power x. I can make this one as 2 power x. So 2 power x is equal to 0. Sorry, y. Correct? Let 2 power x is equals to y. Not 0 is equal to y. So therefore what happens if I substitute according to the equation? Therefore 8 into, what I can write this one as 2 power x whole squared minus 9 into 2 power x plus 1 equal to 0, which will become 8 into y squared, correct, minus 9 into y plus 1 equal to 0. Correct? So if you multiply, you should get 8y squared. If you add or subtract, you should get minus 9y. What are all the roots you are going to have? So as we have written, like you can have minus 8y into y minus y will be is equal to 8y squared. Correct? And then you are going to have it as 3 3s are 9, but 3 plus 3 never equal to 8. It is equal to 6. So what you are going to do? Only the option is 8 into 1. 8 into 1 is 8, correct? And 3 and 4 2s are, but 4 2s are 8, but 4 plus 2 is 6. It cannot be, not 3 3s are, 4 2s are 8, but 4 plus 2 is 6, is never equal to 9. So I'm taking only one option is 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So and then minus 8y minus y will be is equal to minus 9y. So substituting accordingly or finding the result, it can write it as 8y squared minus 8y minus y 9y plus 1 equal to 0. So what it will become? I can take 8y common. If I take 8y common, 8y into here y minus 1, here minus 1 I can take common, y minus 1 equal to 0. So what this will become? I can take here y minus 1 again common. If I take y minus 1 again common, what it will become? Y minus 1 into, what this will be? 8y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now y minus 1 equal to 0 or 8y minus 1 equal to 0. Y will be is equals to 1 or 8y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 1 by 8. Correct? Now you are going to have, what is y? Y is nothing but 2 power x. So here y is nothing but 2 power x. 2 power x is equals to 1. How we are going to write 1 as? 2 power 0, because I want base as 2, isn't it? So what it will become? 2 power x will be is equal to 2 power 0 or x will be is equal to 0. If the base are same, I can equate the powers. So what this will become again? See, 2 power x will be is equal to 1 by 8. Ma'am, how to write 1 by 8 now? Now you are going to have, what is? You are going to have it as 2 cube. 2 cube is nothing but 8. 1 cube is 1 only. So I can write this one as 1 by 2 whole cube, isn't it? So I can write 2 power x will be is equal to 1 cube divided by 2 cube. 1 cube by 2 cube, I can write it as what? 2 power x will be is equal to 1 by 2 whole cube. Correct? If it is that 1 by 2 whole cube, I can raise that power to, what is that? X power minus 3. Ma'am, how can I equate? This is 1 by 2 is there. I want 2. 2 means what? You can have, either you can write like this. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is as it is. Now, this is according to, I can take this to the numerator. If I take that to the numerator, what it will become? 2 power x will be equal to 2 power minus 3. Now, base are same. I can equate the powers. So, therefore, x will be is equal to minus 3. These are all the two roots you are going to have. X will be equal to 0. X will be is equal to minus 3. Understood? We'll be moving on to the next problem. 5 into 5 power 2y minus 26 into 5 power y plus 5 is equals to 0. What are you going to substitute here? Let, you know already. This I am going to write it here. 5 power 2y can be written as 5 power y whole squared. Both are same. So let, I am going to consider 5 power y is equals to x, because I am having here already y, I am going to consider another x. Okay? If you are having y, you can consider x. If you are having x, you can consider y according to the equation. So already I am having in terms of y, I am taking that one as x here. So what it will become? 5 equation. Therefore, I am going to write the equation 5 into 5 power y whole squared minus 26 5 power y plus 5 equal to 0. So what this will become? 5 into x squared, because 5 power y is x, minus 26 into x plus 5 equal to 0. So if I have to multiply 5 5s are 25. So I should get by multiplication 25. If I add or subtract, I should get 26 minus 26, isn't it? 5 5s are 25, but 5 plus 5 is 10. You cannot. So what is the option is remaining? 25 ones is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. Here minus sign is having minus 25 minus x you are going to have. So I am going to write it here. See, what is that? Minus 25x into minus x into minus x into minus x will be is equal to, what is that? Minus 25x x into minus x will be is equal to plus 25 x squared, because 5 5s are 25 x squared. Now minus 25 x minus x will be is equal to minus 26x, correct? Minus 26x. So therefore substituting that, what you are going to have? 5x squared minus 25x minus x plus 5 equal to 0. Now you are going to have 5x, you can take common. If I take common 5x, you are going to remain with, what is that? X here minus 5 5s are 25. X minus 5 minus 1 into x minus 5, which will be equal to 0, because minus into x is minus x plus minus into minus is plus 5, correct? Minus 1 into minus 5 is plus 5. So what I can have, this I can write it as, what it will be? X minus 5 if I take common, x minus 5 if I take common in both, remaining is 5x minus 1 equal to 0. So I can equate both. If I equate both, what I am going to have? X minus 5 equate both to 0, and then 5x minus 1, correct? So x minus 5 equal to 0 is x is equal to 5. 5x minus, or 5x minus 1 equal to 0 means 5x will be equal to 1, x will be is equal to 1 by 5. Now what is x? X is 5 power y. So x is 5 power y is equal to 5. Now you are having 5 power 1 as 5 only. So base are same, I can equate the power y will be is equal to 1. Let me try out this. So x is 5 power y, as you know, 1 by 5. Now 1 by 5 I can write it as 5 power minus 1, isn't it? According to a power minus m, which is 1 by a power m. So therefore you are going to have 5 power y will be is equal to 5 power minus 1, or you are going to have y will be is equal to minus 1. So the answer will be what? Y will be is equal to plus 1 and y will be is equal to minus 1 is the solution for this equation. Understood? We'll be moving on to the next problem. What they have given? 5 power 2x plus 1 plus 25 power x plus 1 is equal to 150. What I'm going to do? I'm going to split this one. According to a power m plus n can be written as a power m dot a power n. So 5 power 2x plus 1 can be written as 5 power 2x into 5 power 1, which is 5 only. So similarly 25 x plus 1 can be written as 25 power x into 25 power 1. So I'm going to write accordingly. What is that? The given will be can be written as 5 power 2x into 5 plus 25 power x into 25 power 1. What is 25 power 1? 25 will be is equal to 150. Now dear students, observe here 5 power 2x can be written as 5 power x whole squared according to a power mn, correct? A power mn. So what you are going to have? 5 power, I am going to write it here, 2 whole power x into 5, this 5 plus 25 power x, 25 is equal to 150. Why I am writing like that? 5 squared is 25, here also 25, I can take common factor. So what it will become? 25 5 squared whole power x into 5 plus 25 whole power x into 25 will be is equal to 150. What I can take common? 25 power x, 25 power x, not 25, 25 power x, okay? So therefore by taking common, what it will become? 25 power x is common, remaining is 5 plus 25 will be is equal to 150. Now solving this, what I am going to get it as 25 power x into 5 plus 25 is 30 will be is equal to 150, correct, into 30. So I am going to cross multiply 25 power x is equal to 150 divided by 30. Now what it will become? 30 ones are 30, you are going to have 5s are, correct, 35 is 150. So you can have 25 power x will be is equal to 5. Now I want the base as same. If I want the base as same, I want to write this 25 as 5 squared. If the base are equal, I can equate the powers to find out the value of x. So therefore this 25, I am going to write it as 5 squared whole power x will be is equal to 5 power 1, which is 5 only. So this I can write it as 5 power 2x will be is equal to 5 power 1. So 2x will be is equal to 1. Because base are same, I can equate. Otherwise, x will be is equal to 1 by 2. That is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. Because base are equal, I can equate the powers. Powers are 2x minus is equal to 1. So x will be is equal to 1 by 2. That is the solution for the given question. We'll move on to next question. Solve 7 power 3 minus 2x divided by 7 power 7 minus 5x is equal to 49 power 3x minus 14. Now this 49, how we can write in power in terms of 7? 7 squared. That you have to remember. I am going to write it here. You can observe, dear students, this is a power m by a power n. A power m by a power n. I can write this one as a power m minus n. M replaces, m will be here what? M will be is equal to 3 minus 2x and n will be is equal to 7 minus 5x. Right? So similarly, I can write 49 will be is equal to 7 squared. So therefore, writing 49 is equal to 7 squared, what I can write this one as 7 power, I can 3 minus 2x into 7 power. If this goes to the numerator, what it will become? Power will become, what is positive, it will become negative. What is negative, it will become positive. Understood? So therefore, this I can write it as 7 power minus 7, because you are having here plus 7. Minus 5x will become plus 5x. You need to understand that. Is equal to, this I am going to write it as 7 squared whole power, because 49 is 7 squared whole power 3x minus 14. So what it will be? Again I can write this one as base are same, I can add out the powers. If base are same, add out the powers means 7 power 3 minus 2x minus 7 plus 5x will be is equal to, isn't look like a power m whole power n? What is a power m? A power m, here I am writing, a power m whole power n is a power m n. So a power m n means this 2 will be multiplied to 3x minus 14. So if I multiply, what I am going to get? 7 power 2 3s are 6x, 14 2s are minus is there 28. Correct? So you are going to have now, see, base are same, I can equate the powers. First let us solve this power. 5x minus 2x is, what is that? 7 power 3 minus 7 is minus 4, minus 2x plus 5x is plus 3x will be is equal to 7 to the power of 6x minus 28. Now the base are same, I can equate the power. So you are going to have 3x minus 4 will be is equal to 6x minus 28. Correct? So therefore what I can solve? 3x minus 4. Bring all the x term to one side, bring all the constant to other side. What it will be here? 3x minus 28, I am going to take it that side. 3x I am going to move it to that side. Minus 28 to this side. So what it will become? You are going to have it as 28 minus 4 will be is equal to, what is that? 6x minus 3x. So this will become, what is that? 28 minus 4 is 24 will be 6x minus 3x is 3x. Or you can write it as 3x will be equal to 24, or x will be is equal to 24 by 3, correct? So or x will be is equal to 3 8s are 24. This is your answer for the given equation. Understood? So I think you understood this procedure, how it will be. Main you have to concentrate on this and how we are writing this 49 and then bringing up the solution for the x. I think you understood this whole session, how we are going to use the formula in each case and bringing the solution for the each problem. Either they will be asking prove that, or they will be given an equation to solve. So thank you dear students. I hope you understood this session and this finishes your theory of antithesis of solving 5 marker. So thank you. In the next session we'll be moving on to averages. Thank you dear students.